And this is the super simple secret sauce. Do you sometimes wish you had a secret sauce that you could add to a lot of the bland foods that you might be eating sometimes? If that sounds like you, then stay tuned, because in this video I will show you how to make a super simple secret sauce with only 3 ingredients in it that will enhance the flavor of everything you eat to a whole nother level. You might just end up taking this sauce everywhere you go with you. Alright, to get started with this very simple secret sauce that we're gonna make, we just have 3 ingredients, super easy to make. The first ingredient we're gonna need is ginger. What I did is already peeled this ginger right here, which is about a cup. I'm gonna slice them into smaller pieces because as you can see, they're kind of big chunks. So I'm just gonna chop them into a little bit thinner slices. And then I'm gonna add them to the Vitamix. We add the ginger to the Vitamix. Now we add our second ingredient, which is going to be my favorite soy sauce. This soy sauce right here is pretty good, I gotta admit. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything. I'm just showing you the soy sauce that I prefer. This is organic. It says it's unpasteurized. It's one of the better tasting soy sauces that I've tasted out of a lot of the other ones. There's 2 soy sauces that I recommend. It's either this one or the Tamari brand with the white and red label. I'll put a picture up so you can see what that one looks like. That one's pretty good too. This one or the other Tamari brand. I'll leave links down below in the description box on the 2 recommended soy sauces to get to make this sauce. Once we got our ginger all in there, now we're gonna add the nama shoyu. This sauce is very easy to make. And then our third secret ingredient that we're gonna add in this sauce is red hot chili peppers. This is optional if you wish. So I'm gonna throw about 4 of these red hot peppers right here that I picked right from my garden into the sauce. And all we're going to do is blend this up. If you wanted to add this sauce to, say, like maybe like a salad or something, I would recommend adding a little bit of oil. You could add some sesame oil into that mix with some sesame seeds, and then the sauce would be pretty good to add to like a salad or something. This is just a super simple 3 ingredient. Oh yeah, this is thick. And here we go. Oh my goodness. Right here, guys. Super simple, super easy, definitely super tasty. You can add this to just about anything that you eat that is bland, maybe needs some kick. This is definitely a good option. Sometimes I'll make, say, like sweet potatoes, just plain, hot. Take them out fresh, peel off all the skins, and then I'll break them into pieces, and then I'll just sprinkle some of this on top, and oh boy, tasty. This sauce tastes absolutely amazing, and it has that bite of the ginger. Plus this one got some fire in it because I put some because I put some peppers in it. Absolutely amazing. Watch this video right here if you love learning about how to make super simple, easy plant-based foods. And this is the super simple secret sauce. Cheers.